So here we are on the Pi Experiences site to book our 2-day Inca trail to Machu Picchu. I'd like to do this tour on the 4th of March, so we can check the availabilities. Here you can see there are 230 availabilities, so there's enough space for me and my wife. We're two people, so this would come out to $579 US each. Book now. Again, we are two people, so it adds up to $579 US each. It's important to check up here for two participants, and then check here so that you are indeed booking for two people. It says the price and deposit here on the right. We both want hiking poles since there are a lot of stairs. You also have two extra options when you will be at the ruins. You may want to hike one of the nearby mountains, such as Huayna Picchu, which takes about 2 hours to climb, or the Machu Picchu mountain, which takes about 3 hours round trip. You'll only be able to hike one of these mountains since your time in Machu Picchu is limited. The entrance ticket to the ruins are already included with your tour. You also have the option to upgrade your sleeping arrangements. After all this is selected, you can continue to the sign-up page, fill in your information, proceed with the payment, and receive your personalized confirmation. That's all for now. Enjoy your trip with Pi Experiences.